Good morning, y'all. Head to the gym, do some cardio, 20 minutes on the Stairmaster. Whew, that sounds bright. Let's do it.
All right, 20 minutes, level 15 in the books. Yeah, buddy.
All right, y'all. In the line at Starbucks, gonna get a drink, then head to campus to do some work on the computer, emails, clients, all that jazz. I'm listening to Post Malone right now. I don't know if I like Post Malone. I haven't decided yet. What do y'all think? Do you like Post Malone? I don't know if I like him or not. I haven't decided yet. So we're trying to decide right now. Crystal, what you got going on today?
Just working on clients and emails and all that.
All that jazz. Did you get some sleep last night? Yeah, we got a little bit of sleep last night. Make a difference.
Yeah, we did get some sleep.
It feels very good. Alright, let's kill it. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to work we go. Right? She never laughs at my jokes. You look good in purple, baby. It's your color.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all, we posted up on the Sky Terrace on the architecture building at the university. What do you think?
It's very pretty.
Very pretty? It's like a little rooftop. Pretty cool. Good place to work. Alright, Crystal is eating her first meal of the day. What you got there, babe?
We got some pulled pork, a little bit of cheese, and 1 egg.
What are your macros now?
120, 120, and 10.
And you're doing the higher protein experiment?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think so far? Too early to tell?
You know what? At first I couldn't really tell anything. Now I'm starting to get like too full, and I think that might be like my stomach thing, where the protein's just not digesting as well as the fats usually do in my system. I haven't noticed anything like mentally, like if I'm like more like foggy brained, anything like that, but I definitely can tell that it makes me feel pretty full, but I'm uncomfortably full when I wake up in the morning still.
Let me see your food.
There's hardly anything in there now.
The eggs?
There's 1 egg and some cheese and pork.
Ooh, don't mess with Crystal when she got her food. She got mad at me flipping at this camera. Clients are done. Now Crystal and I are gonna take a little break, get something to eat or drink, and start the emails. Gotta love those emails. Here we go. This is one of the beauties of working. Well, Crystal's a beauty too. But this is one of the beauties of being able to work on your laptop from anywhere. This is our office today. Alright, y'all, out of curiosity, I'm gonna go ahead and test my blood glucose, since it's been a while since I've done that. I don't have any ketone strips right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and test my glucose. We had a coffee this morning. We've had 2 coffees this morning, but the coffee that we got from Starbucks had sugar-free sweetener in there, which I haven't been doing lately. So I don't know if that's going to impact things at all, but we did get an actual decent night's sleep last night, believe it or not. So if anything, that should have improved things, because I don't normally get that. And usually the less sleep you get, the higher your glucose is. Or at least that's something I've noticed in myself. So, testing glucose. What do you think I am, Crystal?
84.
84? I am, wow, 104.
Whoa.
I haven't got 104 in a long time. So, I'm going to say that the sugar-free sweetener...
I want to test mine.
You want to test yours?
Yeah.
You just ate 2. Let's test Crystal here.
That would make it even worse.
Anyways, I think I'm definitely going to skip out on the sugar-free syrups. I don't use them anyways, but I would argue that that has negatively impacted my blood glucose. Now, let's test Crystal's.
What does CH mean?
It means it's ready.
It means I'm not ready though.
Bleed, baby, bleed. Bleeding now?
Yeah.
Three, 2, 1.
Ha!
Wow, she beat me. That's the glucose dance?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. I look jacked in that reflection. Not gonna lie. Way more muscular than Crystal. Her booty's bigger though. Alright, y'all. Since we're on campus, we figured we'd kind of see what our keto food options are like on campus. So we're gonna go to one of the dining halls and see if we can find anything that is keto friendly. What do you think? We will or no?
Yeah, sure. Something, hopefully.
Something, hopefully. Ice cream cones. Nope. So in that dining hall, there was like some brats and a salad, and that was it. So we're gonna go to another dining hall. Not too much luck on any of the cafeterias. We're just gonna go home and get something to eat there. I was gonna even swing by the campus gym. I think they've updated it since I went to school here, so I wanted to see what that was looking like. But they had given a tour and they couldn't help us out there either. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get something to eat, gotta run some errands, finish up my emails, and then we're gonna train back tonight. All right, y'all, we just got in the truck. I asked Crystal what's the one song she wanted to hear, and this is what she said. Boom, meal of champions, 2 kielbasa sausages and a bag of pili nuts. Simple, easy, and macros are perfect. She's a brick house. She's mighty. She's letting it all hang out. She's a brick. What about to do?
I'm gonna go to the gym and do some back.
Train some back. You wanna hit a deadlift PR?
Honestly, probably not.
Don't say that. Hell yeah, say it. Say hell yeah. Say hell yeah, come on. Hell yeah.
I would be lying if I said that.
Come on, lame. Game time. Game time. Alright, we just rocked out some dumbbell rows, some pull downs, some cable pull downs, all kinds of good stuff. Now we're gonna go downstairs and do deadlifts. Whole bunch of people here right now, so we're not really doing much filming, but hopefully we get some footage of the deads.
So Robert did not get 5 plates. So we are doing punishment reps. Robert's gonna do 405 for 10 and I'm gonna do 185 for 10. So here we go.
One more. Easy. 5 more. You got 5 more in you. Come on, 5 more.
How did I do?
All right, y'all. Back workout is in the books. I just bought a World's Gym t-shirt. Got to rep the World's Gym. We're at Sam's Club right now. And we're going to grab some groceries. And we're going to go to a coffee shop. Not Starbucks, a different one. And continue to work on emails. So let's do it. Anything? Sugar? They got 3 minutes to close. We got to hurry. All right, y'all. That's what I'm eating right now. A massive bowl of scrambled eggs, chorizo, and salsa. The macros break down to, come on, focus, about 97 grams of fats, 3 grams of carbs, and 72 grams of protein. Earlier had the brats and the pili nuts, and then my coffee in the morning. So today's macros are, focus, 110 protein, 9 grams of carbs, 239 fats, 2,627 calories. Boom. Alrighty, y'all, we're headed back to campus. I've got a 200 milligram caffeine pill. I still have to knock out about 150 emails. Let's do it. Alright, let's hit it. You ready to jam, baby?
So ready to jam.
What you gotta do? Emails, clients,
Yeah.
the usual. We're gonna do an experiment. Actually, we're probably not gonna do this anytime soon, but have y'all ever seen the movie Cool Hand Luke with Paul Newman? Love that movie, but you know, eggs is like the perfect fuel, right? So we're gonna see if we can eat 50 eggs because Cool Hand Luke did it, so we can be able to do it, right? All right.
We
let's
just
do
added that up, and it was like 3,500.
300 protein, 250 fat, 3,452 calories or something like that. So
We're not doing that.
in the name of Cool Hand Luke,
No.
I can eat 50 eggs. One of the perks of knowing your way around camp is you get these sweet little rooms that only you know about to yourself. Boom. About to get the jamming, y'all. Get to jamming. Isn't that right? Look at those dimples. Look at those dimples.
Okay.
Let me see your macros. Alright, y'all. It is 1:36 in the morning. Almost done with emails. I got about 10 more to go. And then I'm gonna go to bed. But it's been a great day. Got a lot done. We love all y'all. Kill it tomorrow.
And also, don't wear shoes.
Yeah, we don't wear shoes here.